Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahitu. Today I'm filming a review. Yes, your girl has a little collaboration with a company that I love. It's called Merit Beauty. This brand is all about minimalist beauty, and that is definitely what I resonate with. I don't put on a lot of makeup normally, and even with everything that's been going on as of the recent years, we've learned to slowly but surely just tone it down with our makeup. We don't do glams anymore. We're more natural, and less is more. And that is one motto that they live for at Merit. Every single item will just enhance your beauty, enhance your natural beauty instead of changing it, instead of tweaking it weirdly. They just give you this glow that you didn't even know you needed until you put on their mascara or their lip oils. Seriously, it's something you don't want to miss. Also, it's sensitive skin safe, it's paraben free, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, sulfate free, you name it. It's amazing, and it's very eco-friendly. The packaging is super duper minimal. The bag the items came in is reusable. It's like the cutest little bag. Let me show you. So first off, it comes in this little box, very small, the size of what you ordered basically. And then you open it and it comes with this little bag. This bag is the cutest bag ever. First of all, this color, so fall. I love it so much. It's like a corduroy fabric. And then the items come in these little boxes, very minimal, not a lot of plastic, actually no plastic, like so. Of course, recyclable, so they all come in this little packaging. And of course, I took everything out of their packaging because I needed to try this little pouch. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got 4 shades of their infamous lip oils. They're tinted, so there's a little bit of color and they still moisturize your lips. So I was like, count me in. They actually released 4 new shades, which I took 3 of them, and the other one is one of the OGs. So I'm going to show them all to you and you'll make your own opinion on them. So the 2 shades that I picked from the new shade A Drop are Cara Cara, which is this beautiful kind of orangey red, orange red type of color. Love it, very fall. And then this taupe color, which is kind of a blush. It's like a pink with brown undertone, so yeah, definitely a blush. Then the 2 other colors that I picked, this one is Sangria. It's like a blood red type of lip oil. Love, 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 love. And the last one is Au Naturel, and it looks like this. It's a little bit more pink than Taupe. Well, definitely more pink. If you want to compare, you can see the difference. One is a little bit more dark. Next up is this beautiful brow pomade. I love it. Actually, I'm in love with it. I already tried it and I'm wearing it right now. So I'm gonna show you it before and after. I feel like it's the perfect pomade that just enhances your beauty. Doesn't have that brow pencil effect, but has that natural brown, you know, that little brown undertone that like gives it a more dark feel to your brows. I just love the fact that it's not too crazy, but it's not inexistent, you know? You can definitely see the difference, but it's not drastic that you're like, whoa, those brows are a little bit too dark. I've been wanting to upgrade my brow look, but I've always been so scared because I don't want to start off with super extreme dark brows, and this is an amazing start for beginners. At least it's amazing. You don't have to do a lot and it puts your brows in a certain place and they don't move for the whole day. Who wouldn't want that? So really love it, and it looks like this. So the little wand is actually the long side and the pomade is in this little thing. The long side should be the pomade. Of course, we want to use it for a long time, and I feel like it will not last if we only have this. I feel like it won't last. Other than that, I love this product. Other products do not have any type of smell, and it's actually a breath of fresh air. That's what I like about Merit Beauty, is that it's actually very natural in all ways, shapes, and forms. So the packaging, the product itself, and even just the minimalist feel of everything, it's just so natural, so fresh. So I got a highlight stick. It's in the shade Cava. This is what it looks like. It's like a champagne-y color, if I could say this. Yeah, it's a champagne-y color, and it goes quite far. Of course, you're glowy when you put this, but you're not, you know, some of them are way too blinding. It doesn't give you a dewy look, you know? Sometimes you just want to look, and this is what it does. It's just so good. So I'm gonna show you. I have my mirror, hi, and I have my highlight balm. So I'm gonna put it here, on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. The only sections I will be putting them on, putting it on. So yeah, I just want to look dewy, you know? I don't want it to look blinding to the point that you're like, what? Traffic light, traffic sign. So I'm gonna put it here. Bear with me, trust the process. This, and then the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and then a cupid's bow. Of course, it's a little tricky for the cupid's bow because the balm is, you know, the shape is kind of wide, but just, you know, be remotely precise and it'll be fine. Then I blend with my fingers because it's way more natural, and I feel like the finish is prettier. Voila, ta-da! Do you like? I love highlight. It's like my favorite product ever. I could literally just live with highlight, seriously, and mascara. So to me, it's very cute. It's giving glowy, dewy, everything that we like. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending me these beautiful lip oils and all the other products that you sent me. I am in love. I will probably wear these lip oils forever. So I'm actually happy that I got a lot of them because they're all so cute. And since I have like two tones on my lips, I was kind of worried that it wouldn't look that good on me, but seriously, it looks amazing. I have Taupe right now on, and it's literally as if it's my skin shade. and I love it so much. I'm really happy about these shades. The shade Taupe is actually in the new drop, in the new collection for fall, so get yourself a Taupe lip oil. You will not regret it. And the other one is Cara Cara, so it's the little red fiery red that I showed you. So these two are in the new fall drop. Also, you thought I forgot about you guys? If you actually want to buy these, I have a 10% off link that you can use. I will put it down in the description box. You still have a couple of days to use it, so use it as you want. Use it, have fun. Tell your mother, your grandmother, your friends, everybody. 10% off on Merit Beauty, and you will not regret it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.